Hey all, welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Yeah, we're gonna unbox a fuel tank that I got for the 72 satellite that we're trying to get running and hopefully sell, and trying to make sure that it's 95% so that whoever buys it can just drive it, right? Get it transferred over, insured, and just drive it. So, problem was the fuel system. The fuel tank that was in it was absolute garbage. I was going to try clean it out with some CLR and some marbles, and spend 40 bucks on that kind of stuff. And I started to look at it. When I took the sending unit out, it was done. The sending unit was done. I couldn't even clean it to get it to suck fuel from here to there. I could hardly even get the fuel out of the tank. So the new tank came in yesterday. So today we're gonna open it up, and it's made in Taiwan. Not that that's a big deal, because everything was made offshore. So we're gonna have a look at it. Packaging is pretty good. I don't know what that is, but whatever. Alright. Well, looks pretty decent. It's got a coating on it. It's got the lines on this side. It's not banged up. It's got sending unit in the right spot. Let's roll it over. I'll look on this side. Yeah. Seamed up pretty good. Bent where the straps go, so the flange is bent up a little bit. Alright. So I'm going to put it in today. I'm not going to film that. It's just installing a fuel tank. It's not an over-the-top kind of thing. I have to get my transmission jack over here because it's a little more awkward trying to get it all in there, and then I also have to get the filler neck in and get that kind of stuff ready to go. So once we got it in, I'll bring you guys back in and you guys can have a look. All right. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, please. Please leave a comment. You could share. And thanks for coming along for the ride.